Hello everybody, in this video we're going to learn about how to set up keyword-based comment response. To set up keyword-based comment response, select the store you want to put this setting for, then click on Manage. After that, in the Auto Replies section, go to the Keyword Replies page. Once you've reached the keyword reply page, put in your keywords. For example, I'm going to add in the keywords here. After that, write in the response for those keywords. And then turn on the Comment Reply tab and click on Save New Keyword. Now, when you go to the Facebook page, and if somebody comments on your post with the keywords that you have saved, and then refresh the page, a response like this will be visible to all your customers.